The LG V20 was here, and today in the video, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G for Stay Talk. So Stay Talk now finally has the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So it's about time. So anyways guys, it's available now for $12.99. So $1,300 for saying here. So it is what it is guys. So yeah, it's available right there. So this one is available right, while the S21 Plus for Straight Talk is available in like a silverish white color. So that's pretty interesting, man. It looks like this doesn't look right. This looks like the color on the Galaxy S21 Plus there. But did they get the color right on this one? This one is indeed a black Galaxy S21 Ultra here. So anyways, guys, have a whole bunch of factors in camera, power, and bandwidth on the right side of the phone now. You do have a micro SD card and SIM card slot. Power is at the top of the phone. Power. On the back of the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, that has your camera flares. Samsung logo on the rear. Yeah. Says this is the phone that will change photography. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is purposefully practiced so you don't need to choose between video and photo. With the single tap, you can pull secure stills up to 3 megapixels straight from high resolution 8K video. Unleash your productivity by adding S Pen, allowing you to edit with precision and bring your videos to life. Or if you're looking to capture stunning photos, the 108 megapixel camera feels like you brought your own professional studio with you. Galaxy Palette Ultra is designed to be epic in every way. So, yeah. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra dimensions are 6.5 inches height, 2.97 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. The Galaxy S21 Ultra has a 6.8-inch display with a dynamic AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 plus support on there with 1600 nits. The cameras you get 12 megapixel ultra wide, 108 megapixel main camera, 3 times optical zoom of 108, and then a 10 megapixel cameras. They get two 10 megapixel cameras, so I'll put it on actually. Bluetooth 5.1, non-removable 5000 mAh battery with fast charging 25 watt Samsung 888 GPS, 39 hours of talk time. You get 3 storage options here: 128 gig at 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gig at 12 gigabytes of RAM, or 512 gigabytes at 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is fucking insane. So yeah, so what they all got at price there at $12.99 is the 128 gigabyte version. So you keep it in mind. I'm guessing you add $100 to each one. So there you go. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra weighs 8 ounces exactly. What comes in the box is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G Perfect smartphone, push start guide, USB-C cable, and ejection pin. There is no charging block in the boxes here, so to keep that in mind. So that's the phone right there, front and back. It has Android 11 with Wi-Fi 3.1, Snapdragon 888 processor, the Exynos 2100 for the international version. So it's kind of cool that they show you guys both versions of the phone now. So that's pretty cool. Display 6.8 inches, dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 plus with 1600 nits brightness there. Photos capture video and multiple types of images with one tap of the shutter button. One tap captures multiple images and video all at once. Lenses, effects, and filters capture the best of every minute, every time. So, then that's pretty much it there. So, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is now here. It's still talking. It's available now for $12.99 for the 128GB version, $13.99 for the 256GB version, and $14.99 for the 512GB version. So, yeah, they do have 3 storage options. I guess you add them about $100 for each storage option. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it has not out, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.